Hello my friends, Rune again. It's been a while since I used my Brugger and Thomet GL-06 Airsoft grenade launcher. Uses these types of grenades. Normally just fill it up with about 65 Airsoft BBs and plug it with a cap or just tape over it, and it will shoot them out in a shower. Not harmful at all. With Airsoft BBs, I have been shot with Airsoft BBs and these types of grenades, and you can barely feel it. But today I want to try it first with propane, and then we can try a gentle squirt of air, HPA, 800 PSI, and I have some foam golf balls, about 140 grains, 9.26 gram I think it is, around there. And I have some homemade made out of just toilet roll in the ones, and one that I filled with some airgun BBs, pellets, and glue. This one is 438 grains, I think too heavy, and this one is 245 grains. I've written the weight on them. Trigger pull on this thing after I removed the trigger spring is better, not so heavy, but still it's quite hard. Not like the pistol version I have, which is very easy. I can pull it with my normal trigger finger. This one I have to use 2 fingers in order to shoot. So the pressure when using HPA might be too high for it. That's why I'm starting out low, and maybe I can work up the pressure if I feel I can pull the trigger. So, but okay, let's see how it goes. Starting off with the propane and this. So, one moment. Temperature is just around 20 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So, okay, let's see how it works with propane first. Starting out with a golf ball. It has a nice snug fit in the barrel, not super tight, but quite tight. Push it down, close it, and of course I forgot my extra electronic. Aha, here we have it. 140 grains or so. Let's see, maybe I can use my normal trigger finger, I don't know. We will try and find out. Two fingers it is. $128. And now let's try the 245 grain cardboard toilet roll cone. I tapered it up so it fits quite snug and nice in the barrel. Propane again. Not sure if my extra electronic will read, but let's try. It did, barely. 103 feet per second. Here it is. It is quite cold now. Turns out that the small HPA bottle I had, the gauge says it has over 2000 PSI inside, but when I tried it, no air. But I have another HPA tank, and that one had air in it. So let's see how it goes. I just give it a little squirt of air, just a couple of seconds. So let's see, can I pull the trigger? Golf ball. Quite hard pulling the trigger. 239 feet per second. And here's the ball. Let's try 3 seconds. And now about 3 seconds of air. Let's try the golf ball again. Let's see how it goes. Super stiff trigger. I don't go higher than that. 268 feet per second. So, not bad power for an airsoft gun. And now 3 seconds of air and 438 grain slug. If I can make it fit. Oh, there. Quite tight in the barrel. So let's see. 438 grains and 3 seconds of air at 800 PSI. So let's see, can I squeeze the trigger? I hope so. Not so loud this time. 173 feet per second. Not sure what that energy is, but I'm sure you would feel it. Yeah. Just for the heck of it, fill it up with the propane and what shall we take? We can take this one again. 245 grain. The cardboard. Didn't read. But last time it was only 103 feet per second, so maybe I didn't have too much propane or enough propane in it. Yeah, but it works. Let's try one more shot. Fill it with about 5 seconds of propane. And I will now use the golf ball. 140 grains. So let's see. About the same as the first shot I did. 126 feet per second. And that was with a golf ball. So yeah, it's a cool thing to play around with. But if you're going to use HPA, then just be aware that the trigger pull will be like super stiff. Same thing if you use CO2. That will also make the trigger pull very stiff. So, but it is a cool airsoft gun. launcher. You can call it a launcher. So, but it is enough space inside here, so you can use 2 fingers to pull the trigger. No problem. And after I remove the trigger return spring, then the trigger pull is a whole lot better. So, I used this tank today. It has about 3000 PSI inside. And I used the S-Thunder adapter. Bought it for $1 several years ago. So, but well worth the money. And I used Thomet propane today with the Mad Bull adapter. So the grenades are from ASG. Looks like so. It comes with some end cap plugs if you're going to use it with Airsoft BBs. But as you saw, I used these homemade slugs. And the golf ball, foam golf balls. Normal size golf balls are much stiffer, and they are also a little bit larger, so they will not fit, at least not in my markers or launchers. Yes. Okay, hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.